Hi, welcome back to the PageFly video tutorial series named What PageFly Can Do. In this video, I will guide you how to build a complete About Us page in PageFly. I will build a page based on this page from Allbirds website. To build an About Us page, you need to create a PageFly regular page. Click here to create a new page. And we will go to PageFly Page Editor. Let's start with the first section. With this section, we need a video that is the background of the section, and text on it. And this section is full width. Back to the PageFly Page Editor. Firstly, I will add a full width section that you will see here. Drag and drop it to the page. Go ahead to the Styling tab to add a background video. To add a background video, you need to upload that video to Shopify admin here. And copy the link of video. And paste in PageFly. Then, go ahead to left side toolbar, I will drag a heading element. Change the text content here. Set it as a H1. Go to the Styling tab. Click here to make the content center. A tip for you. If you want to know which font this text is using, you just need to right-click and open Inspect here. In Tab Styles, you can see all styles set to the text. And if you click Tab Compute it here, you will know the font family. The font using here is a custom font that is not available in Font Manager in PageFly. So you need to upload it. To do that, please check the video in the description of this video. I uploaded the font here. Now I will go to the Styling tab to change the content color. Font size. Click More Settings, and adjust the letter spacing. And add some code to increase the font weight and make the text skew a bit. Now choose the whole section. And adjust the padding values. To make the background bigger. A tip for you. To easily manage and customize a page, you need to divide the page into many sections. The sections will contain separate content. As you can see on this page, there are 4 sections. And now I'm guiding you how to build sections one by one. Now we will continue with the second section. With this basic section, we just need one paragraph, and one image, and then one more paragraph element. In the page editor, I add these elements respectively. Add the image here. And you can change the size of image with custom size option here. Then I will update the text content. And customize the paragraph element. You can click this paragraph, and click Copy Style here. Move to this paragraph, click Paste Style. Choose the column, and click here to make the content center. And finally, choose the section, and add padding pixels to the left and right padding of the section. Now, move to section number 3. In this section, we need a product image above, and its outstanding points below. To make this layout, we need a 3-column row. Firstly, I will upload the image here. Remember that you can upload a GIF, as uploading a normal image. And then add a 3-column layout below the image. Make sure that the image is in a row. This layout is in another row. And these row is inside a section. In each column here, I will add a heading element. And a paragraph element. Update the content and style for them. And now choose the column. And make content inside the column center. Choose the row. And you can change spacing between columns. The last step is to change the color for the section. Check the Inspect again. And you will know the color of the section the page is using. Finally, go with section number 4. Similarly to the section above, we need 2 rows. One row has a heading element. And one row has 3 columns. In each column, I add an image, a heading, and a paragraph element. With the heading, I will add padding values to it. With a layout below, I upload images, update content for heading and paragraph elements, and customize them. You can adjust the margin of the top element to create vertical spacing between 2 elements. Now you can save and publish the page. And check it on live view. This is a Shopify About Us page you can build in PageFly. Don't forget to switch to other devices to check its responsibility. All element you add on all devices will automatically show on other devices. However, some styling will be unnecessary that you need to remove. About making a responsive mobile page, you can check the video in the description of this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. If you have any question, please drop a message in comment section. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.